fellas, welcome back. I've came down to MAS Tuning. Here with Andy. Came to see his 3-door. Have you just had a build made?
Yeah, it's all done, freshly all done now.
Done by Mike at MAS Tuning?
Mike's done everything, yeah.
You've just had the wheels put on as well, haven't you?
Yeah, they're the ones, yeah.
Who made them? Is it MK? MK Motorsport or?
MT Motorsport.
MT? Mark Thompson or something, isn't it?
Split rims.
What size is the nut?
Centre lock. 90 mil.
Is it? Do you carry your thing in the back to get off?
No. You have to have a big massive torque wrench about that thing.
Get along in.
It's huge, yeah.
What do you torque it up to, do you know?
I think it was 90 Newton meters, I think.
Is it? It's not 500, is it?
No, 3-door, same as yours.
But it's got all the 500 bits on?
Yeah, genuine front bumper, rear spoiler, lower spoiler, full RS 500, touring spec engine, plenum, turbo, wheels.
Did you put the kit on, like the spoilers?
Yeah.
You put it on, did you? Come look inside.
Yeah, help yourself.
Nice. I always love the seats in a 3-door, like the standard 3-door seats.
Yeah, the darker colour.
Still got the original dash in. Looks in good condition as well, mind.
Looks like someone's had a phone holder at some point.
Aye, aye.
Back in the day, innit?
Can we have a look under the bonnet?
Yeah. Can we talk on it?
Aye. Nice engine bay, this, mind. I like the black instead of chrome. So a lot of people do the chrome on these, don't they?
Bit of a 2020 look, innit?
Aye. Big old intake thing there.
Huge, innit?
So what turbo we got on?
T4.
T4?
Yeah.
What power is it? About 500?
521, I think it made.
Right. Where'd you get rolling roaded?
It was done at Motorsport Developments in Blackpool.
Oh, right, aye, aye. So was this standard when you got it, the engine, or was it like
no, Mike
stage 3 or something?
Mike had done everything to it, so he'd fully forged it.
Before you got it?
Yeah, before I'd got it as well. So it's just had an overhaul really, and changed the wheels and a few little modifications myself that I've done just to put my own stamp on it really.
So it's got that RS 500 intake plenum there with the 8 injectors?
500 cooler, turbo.
Ah, smaller radiator.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice and clean. Is that private plate?
No, it's a normal number plate.
Is it?
Yeah.
Can we go for a drive?
Yep, let's do it.
So you've got anti-lag and launch control on this? Two switches?
One's your anti-lag, one's your launch control. When it's up to temperature and that, you can put them in.
The pot and ban?
Yeah.
Right, nice. Mine's on gas coilovers.
Yeah, it's got an adjustable rear beam on it as well.
Is that one of Mike's beams or?
Yeah, so it's, when you bury your foot to the floor, it keeps you in a nice straight line, don't trample your edge.
Do you know what this doesn't do, what mine does?
What's that?
Rattle. Mine's full of rattles. Yours seems pretty, like all your dash seems fairly tight. Like there's no rattles in here, is there?
No.
I suppose I've had me dash out a few times, like. Sounds nice.
Doesn't it?
Has it got a dump valve on?
Yeah, group head.
Is that foot down there?
3/4, I'd have probably said.
What power is it? 520-ish?
Yeah, 521 I think this one did. Yes, well did 512.
Similar engine spec?
Yeah.
Standard gearbox?
Standard gearbox. It's got a 9-inch rear diff though, so it's probably will top out about 150, but
right.
It's
does that give you more top end light, does it?
No, not as much top end.
Not as much top end.
Yeah, no.
Flip pulls well, mine, doesn't it? There's not much you'll keep up with this on the roads.
No.
So what's it boost to?
Just under 30 psi.
Is it?
It doesn't feel
sketchy.
Yeah, we just touched probably 140 then and it didn't. like we were trying to hold on or anything like that.
No, it's controllable, wasn't it? Nice and sturdy.
Whether that's with all the beam and the bushes and the suspension that makes it do that, I'm not sure.
Because Cosy suffer from, is a bump steer where the back end squats, the towing and that, the wheels gone all over. So obviously that rear beam, what you put on will fix that, won't it?
Yeah, it stops a lot of the squatting on the rear as well, doesn't it?
Have you just got standard arms and that in the front, like standard lower arms and all that?
They're adjustable camber arms.
So what's your plans for it then? You got any more plans for it? Or just enjoy it?
No, I think I've done everything that I wanted to. It was just a 3-door when I got it. So obviously I've put the
500 bits on.
Well, it got the 500 horsepower. I thought, well, I might as well put the bumper on and the spoiler on. Because I like the 500, I just haven't got £500 money. That's the problem.
Did you buy the 500 bits, like the bumpers and the spoilers?
Yeah, I bought the bumper from up Scotland way.
Can you tell us how much it was, how much you paid? It's a mental money on that.
I paid £2,500 and it was damaged.
Was it?
So I then had to get it repaired. It wasn't badly damaged, but it got a low impact on the front left-hand side. So I had it repaired and put on. And
it's crazy the prices, isn't it?
Front splitter was £1,100, I think. I think the rear spoiler, that was £1,500.
Was it?
So some big money.
I know. Did you sell the standard bits or you kept them?
I've kept them.
In case you ever sell the car, you just put them back to standard. Get loads of attention these, didn't they, when you're driving them about?
I used to think I got loads of attention in the Escort, and then when I bought my 3-door, I don't know, it just seems to attract more attention.
Is it?
Whether it's because it's older looking, I don't know.
What brakes you got in this?
APs, 4-box, 330mm.
On the front and then standard on the back?
The bigger discs, and I think the Porsche rear calipers, I think.
Is it?
Yeah. Or anti-lag on it in the box. Keeps the turbo spinning a bit, doesn't it?
Aye. So you got any plans for it in the future then? Just enjoy it?
Yeah, I think I enjoy it now.
Get out and about?
Yeah, it's got a few stone chips and that on it, and I'm like, shall I paint it and get it in? But then I won't want to take it out. That's the problem.
That's the thing.
Well, it's quite original at the moment. It's got a few age-related marks. So.
Has it had like little bits of paintwork before?
Yeah. We put a depth finder on it, and I think the wings have been painted, all the quarters have been, had a bit of paint on them. Some are thicker than the others, so it's an old car, isn't it?
It's a 30-odd-year-old car at the end of the day, isn't it? Mate, thanks for that.
No worries, thank you.
Do you want to leave any links to your Instagram or like that?
Yeah, can do, yeah.
I'll leave it in the description, fellas. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, mate. Thanks a lot for that.